All right, we've got our sander here. Got a great little place to store the tool to install the sandpaper. All right, so this is what it'll look like after we bend it to go in the drum. It's crooked on purpose, so you go backwards, doing this one hand. All right, so you set it in there like that, and then you bend it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Again, backwards, and do it. Notice that. Flip it up. Flip that guy up. Okay. This is like a punch. You want that to face you. That means it's totally open. Okay, so it's open right now. We're gonna do the left side. That's gonna close the jaws part of the way. And then the right side. So what you do, stuff this guy in here, line it up on sides, and then we will tighten the left side so that 1/4 turn so that the punch is further away from you. See, it was there, now it's on the opposite side. And then we're gonna push this down and hold it in as we roll it. We're gonna stuff the other side in. Okay, we're gonna line it up. Okay. And with two hands, I would be holding the sandpaper, and then I would be turning this, and we're gonna see it really tighten up here. All right, so I'll just focus on that. Let's see if I can do it. Two hands and a knee. Nope, gotta set it down. So, look at it like this, it's away. There's the punch hole. We gotta loosen it up. To change out the paper, we're gonna undo this side, 1/4 turn so the punch is facing us this way, and then we'll do the other side and it'll come right out. Now when you get to thinner and thinner paper, what you may notice is that since it's just not the same texture, grit, that this may need to be cut down on the end so that it's not loose on the drum. And we're ready.